Hello, my dear students. In this part, we have to learn how to find out errors in the measurement of physical quantity. So, while measuring a physical quantity, there must be some error. That is, we cannot find out the actual value or true value of the physical quantity. That is, there must be some difference between the true value and the measured value. And this difference between the true value or actual value and the measured value of the physical quantity is called error in the measurement. And error in the measurement may be divided into three types. That is absolute error, then relative errors, and percentage errors. So let's see how to calculate these types of errors. So first we have to define absolute errors, and let us see how to calculate absolute errors in the measured physical quantity. So absolute error in the measurement of physical quantity is defined as the magnitude of the difference between the true value and the individual measured value of the physical quantity. That is, absolute error equal to true value minus measured value. Absolute error in the measured value, akoina oliba quantity to the value do the absolute error je kari manage bu quantity to the true value or actual value aseng value duga akoina measure to the fangi value duga ani du khena bado akoina absolute error in the physical quantity haina ko ai. So let's see how to find out the true value of the length of this stick. So in order to find out the true value or actual value of the length of this stick, we have to measure several times. That is, it may be 5 times or 6 times or maybe 10 times. So when sigi stick sigi ko sigi size gi my true value of length to ke har ga dia koina hanjan na manga koi bi taru koi bi natraga na tarar koi bi hanjan na wala neba aduga magi true or actual values je kari ga managa de bu arithmetic mean of the measured values. Akoin oliba measured values mayam do ko adugi arithmetic mean puto puduna magi true value oi neba aduna errors in the measurement je kari ga managa bu difference between the true value and the measured value oi duine. Let us see an example. Let A1, A2, A3 up to AN be n. Here small n represents number, n measured values of a physical quantity. Then true value of the quantity is given by a bar equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus up to AN divided by n. So this equation 1 represents arithmetic mean of n number of measured values. Sida ko na fangiba A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to AN sigi mean value neba arithmetic mean. Sigi akoina measure to the fangiba value myam sigi arithmetic mean je akoina true value of the physical quantity oirani, and generally denoted by A bar has ko akoina quantity to A long tar di true value to A bar hayani, quantity to akoi measured value to L1 L2 hay tar di L bar hay bay and the bar is mean to mean value high. So in this case, A bar represents true value of the physical quantity. When the quantity to be true value, then how to find out absolute error in first measurement A1. And A1 the labor absolute error high tardy difference between true value and measured value, and that is denoted by delta A1. See triangle natia delta ni. This delta represents small quantity. Yam the pick value ni harini. Had true value ga measured value ga ani jigi difference kasuyam shawai. It should be a very small value. So generally denoted by this symbol known as delta. And the absolute error in measured value A1 is denoted by delta A1, and it should be equal to true value, that is A bar minus measured value A1. Similarly, absolute error in second measured value A2 denoted by delta A2 equal to true value minus measured value A2. And again, absolute error in third measured value A3 denoted by delta A3 equal to true value minus measured value. True value this samanani sila is A bar aduga akoina A1 da leiba absolute error putoke hargana true value ga a1 ga minus toba a2 da second measured value da leiba absolute error putoke hargana true value duga kasagi measured value a2 duga smaina minus toba smaina mathang mathang loina putokpa yagani aduna we may write like this and so on haisni ko ana next we have to find out mean absolute error sina absolute error putokujuni next we have to find out mean absolute error. Mean absolute error in the physical quantity hargadi sidala riba delta a1 delta a2 delta a3 up to delta an mayam dugi mung mean value putoktoini. Therefore mean absolute error may be defined like this. It is the arithmetic mean of the magnitudes of the absolute errors in all the measurements of the quantity, and generally it is denoted by delta a bar, and it should be equal to absolute value of delta a1, that is absolute error in a1 plus absolute error in a2 plus absolute error in a3 plus up to absolute error in an divided by total number of measured values, that is small n. Akoina normal da phangiba absolute errors mayam dugi arithmetic mean dune akoina mean absolute error na khaise. Aduna akoina lastly we have to write the value of the physical quantity as a bar plus minus delta a. That is akoina pangba a gi value do a di ga sai gi quantity du gi value du ni ko ado akoina final oina kamaina gi ga ge bu ba gi true value du ne, that is mean value of measured value a bar ne adu ga ma gi mean absolute error ko mean absolute error ani gi minus value je e ga ni. So the final result of the measure of physical quantity can be expressed as a equal to a bar plus minus delta a. Sigi plus minus hai is a physical quantity is a bar plus delta a bar aduga a bar minus delta a ani tu ki marakta leiba yai na hai bani, that is a bar plus delta a bar ga a bar minus delta a bar hai ta. Sigi ani ji marakta hoina phangiba value do leiba yai na haibani adu generally we may write like this a equal to a bar plus minus delta a na smaina e gani. Next we have to define relative error or fractional error. It is the ratio of mean absolute error to the true value of measured quantity, that is relative error is denoted by delta a, and this should be equal to delta a bar divided by a bar. Sigi symbol D मामले जो कोई delta कवे, सिजु delta कवे, सिगी triangle मामले delta कवे, सिजु delta कवे, और केना is a carino of हर गदे मागी quantities केना गदे. That is when we compare these two delta, that is D मामले delta जिगा triangle मामले delta जिगा, and is compared to the first one is much smaller than the second one. Sigi D मामले delta जिने है ना pick करने अब. आइडी delta A है बका sigi delta a haibaga sigi triangle mamba delta a haibaga sigi value ani je compare to buda ahan bagi sigi d mamba delta a ne hena tikani haibani ado akoina symbol man gi samane ana relative error je delta a is by represent tawre, and this will be equal to mean value of absolute error divided by true values minus p gani. And next we have to define percentage error. Percentage error is very no percentage error high tadi. So is the fungible relative error there. Percentage the autopa, that is 100 multiplied to something. So we have defined like this. When the relative error is expressed in percentage, then it is known as percentage error. It is denoted by delta a percentage minus represent the way, and this will be equal to similarly by delta a bar divided by a bar into 100%. See akoina relative error is the 100 multiply toro or the percentage error fangani. So let us try to solve a numerical problem based on true value, absolute error, and relative error, or it may be percentage error. So let's say the first question is, the radius of a wire measured with screw gauge, the values of the radius of the wire are 3.04 millimeter, 3.06 millimeter, 3.08 millimeter, 3.07 millimeter and 3.05 millimeter. Find Roman number 1, true value of radius of the wire. Roman number 2, absolute error in each observation. Roman number 3, mean absolute error. Roman number 4, relative error. And Roman number 5, percentage error. So here, radius of the wire is measured by using a instrument known as screw gauge. Screw gauge is another kind of wire radius measured over. So in this question, 5 different measured values are given. See the P is a measured value manga pire. See the ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Span manga pire ko. Aduga point see the true value absolute error matam putose. So solution here R1, that is first measured value. R1 is 3.04 millimeter. R2 second measured value is a radius no 3.06 millimeter. R3 na siloro. R4 na 3.07 laure. R5 na 3.05 millimeter. Masay point mamang na example in logi mamang gilogi budo na point A1 A2 loguni sida na ako na radius di R1 R2 na even na suitable way na loguni. Na 5 measured values are given. So true value of radius denoted by R bar. Masay na A bar have to na small R bar harani. Then it should be equal to arithmetic mean of these 5 given measured values. Sida pili ba value mga jigi arithmetic mean lauro. That is loina sum taro 1 2 3 4 5. Sida pili value mga jigi loina sum taro ado 5 divide taro. Ado ita answer je si tarkani 3.06 millimeter. So true value of radius is equal to 3.06 millimeter. To find out absolute error in each measured values. So absolute error in first measured value, that is R1. R1 the level absolute error height delta R1, and it should be equal to true value minus measured value. 3.06 minus 3.04 equal to 0.02 millimeter. So the true value to niko ito photo give do true value of radius minus R1 value do. So minus absolute error in R2 hydrosu delta R2 equal to true value minus R2 0 tare. And in case of R3 the true value minus R3 minus 0.02 millimeter. Negative value negative sign indicates that the true value is less than the measured value. Measured value not true value they can pick tardi negative error tarkani minus ko. Positive error we're gonna true value na measured value they can solve. Then absolute error in fourth measured value, this is R4 there. Delta R4 equal to true value minus R4, that is 3.07 minus 0.01 millimeter. And is a minus to 1. Some ananas is absolute error in R5 say true value minus measured value later 0.01 millimeter. So these are the absolute errors in each measured values. So Roman number 3, we have to find out mean absolute error denoted by delta R bar, and it should be equal to arithmetic mean of all the absolute errors in the measured values. Sida pangiba delta R1, delta R2, delta R3, delta R4, delta R5 mayam jiki values mean low diba. Then sida koina mean absolute error putopadadi masay absolute error in each of the measured values magi positive value ngakta lawo dawa ko sida plus lai je sida minus lai sing je plus value ngakta lawo kaneba mean absolute error to podadi ado sila je sida minus lai ko sida plus loina ko ne lawo ni ado sigi value mangal ke generaba ado 5 na divide oro then you will get 0.012 millimeter sina mean absolute error we ganeba ado ka mu hai ke mean absolute error puto podadi Akoi absolute error da phangba negative sign sing se neglect tawani posting mark lobodaba. Number 4, relative error, that is delta R equal to ratio of mean absolute error to the true value. That is masay ko na mean absolute error is 0.012 later, true value of radius na 3.06. Siya is divide or si fangani 0.0039. Sina relative error where then number 5 the percentage error. Percentage error height the relative error is the 100 and multiply to 0.0039 into 100% la to the 100 kasi ko 0.39 0.39% tare. So the percentage error.